How are you, my beautiful friend? Here with Max l'Italiano, and today I'm going to show you how we make this beautiful Italian tart. Something that is delicious. It's part of the Italian culture. This is what I used to eat when I was kids. This is what my mother used to prepare to me when I was kids. And now let me show you through this recipe how we make this beautiful creation. And how we make this beautiful recipe? Simple, mixing all the ingredients together in a bowl using a whisk. Our mix is ready, and now we are gonna pour our flour in 5-6 steps, not all in once, into the mix, and we work with our hands, or we can work with a fork. It's up to you guys, how you like it. And now let's move on. And now I want to give you one tip, which is don't overwork the dough. This is really important. This is called a shortbread, and when you make a shortbread, you don't wanna develop any gluten in the recipe, in the dough. Why? Otherwise, what could happen? That as soon as you roll out it's gonna go back to the original size. It becomes kind of elastic, and this is, you don't want it. Otherwise, you need to place it in the fridge to relax. Now, this recipe doesn't have butter, and this is really nice because you don't need to place it in the fridge. You can use straight away, and I love it. And now we need just 2/3 of the dough. And here, my friend, I'm using apricot and strawberry jam. It's up to you. You have a bit of different jams left over in your kitchen, use them. Mix everything, it's gonna be even better. And now, let's move on. is ready to go in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 35-40 minutes if you have a fan mode oven. If you are using a static oven, I suggest you to set the temperature at 180 degrees Celsius for the same time, 35-40 minutes. And now, taste test time. Guys, it's delicious. It's simply delicious. Sweet at the right point. Nothing to say. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and I'll see you in the next recipe.